GoPro battery, GoPro. This should be charged. I need that. Oh, early morning people. Sheffield, we're buying another bike. This is going to be the second S1K we're buying. Oh, guys, man, I've been up early. Anyway, let's go meet my friends. We're going to go get breakfast, full breakfast, and then we're going to go to Sheffield, pick up this bike. Stay tuned. Yeah, it's like 7 AM, so and it's cold. Anyway. Oh, it's freezing, man. Jeez. My Pista GPRR forged. I'm rocking the gloves, it's so cold. But yeah, we've got to go to Sheffield, get the second bike. The first one has a soft limiter after 2021. Didn't want that, wanted to spray fire, so we need the 19 plate for 2020 plate. So yeah, so cold I can't talk.
First name, last name, date of birth. Make a bad bitch sign paperwork. Once the ink dries, can't say a word. Just another day of work. Keep the even though I love you, you should say it first. She in med school, I wanna date a nurse. I know you've been hurt, I don't wanna make it worse, but I know that I'm liable to make it worse, yo.
Freezing. Jeez.
Three days later.
That, bro, we're at 33. Alright, so we are now, I'm with my boy. Picked him up in the car. Nice car, this thing rides nice. Audi A7. We're gonna go Sheffield. We're gonna get breakfast first, get a munch, and then we're gonna go get some cool bikes. No, actually we're gonna get one bike. Another S1K. Basically, bought one recently. Like I said, we already bought an S1K. Let's go back in time. Yeah, it should be before this. We bought one recently and it's a 21 plate. Probably what the 21 plate is that BMW secretly put soft limiters on the bikes after 2021. So you can't rev the bike up and hit the red line, and basically rather than bouncing off the limiter and spraying fire, the bike would just hold there like with a soft limiter. Not really that cool. So if you get a 19 so yeah, sorry people. So yeah, basically this one is a 19 plate with barely any mileage, right, just after service. This one will rev like mad. You guys will see what I'm talking about. When you see what it does, right, it shuts down. When you go to a car meet, bike meet, it just shuts it down when you rev it like that. But the way it revs, it is so loud, it literally blows your ears. And it's like, if you're standing behind the bike, which you just can't, good luck if you do. You don't like hearing if you do. Basically the bike, it literally sends like shockwaves into you, so you feel like you're being punched. That's how mad it is. Anyway, you'll see when we go to a bike meet. If you guys, whoever's watching this sees it, then yeah, you know when we rev it up. So anyway, we're gonna grab the bike, we're gonna put Acra headers on it, and for the end cam probably like race fit or maybe an Arrow. I like Arrow a lot, so yeah, we'll see. Anyway, keep you guys updated. We're gonna shoot to Sheffield, get breakfast, Sheffield, get the bike, come back, done. Big breakfast with the man. Yo. Oof, quick swap. Adam's in the toilet. I'll take over. Where are we at? Some service station. Right. I don't need that one. Oh, you can go in the back. However, I do need this. Right. How much fuel we got left as well? It's £94 to do, so I mean, still like a full tank. Ha! Sheffield. soon get the S1K. Yeah, what did you guys see this bike? Do love a good S1K. Sick daily riders. Probably, actually, that probably is. It's probably the best bike you can daily ride. Most likely. It's comfy, cruise control, heated grips. What other bike can do that? That's it in the super sports format. I don't really know. The S1K just does it for daily riding. So yeah. Anyway, panoramic roof. Deal done, you guys. Deal done. Fix this. Another bike was just bought cash. Anyway, we're at the place now. I want to drive back, and Adam is going to be on the bike. I don't know where, but you'll see him in a minute.
If anyone wants to stop me, yeah?
Yep.
The thing is, I'm not.
You guys, I don't know if you can hear me, I'm doing 70 now and the wind is so intense. But the quick shifter on this bike, very smooth shifts. The quick shift itself, like whatever you call it, the lever, the pedal, whatever you call it, the correct terminology, it's quite stiff. My bike is actually a lot smoother, which once again I'm actually surprised about. That shows how far Ducati's come in their technology and also engineering. But it's got quite a really firm, solid shifter. This bike here is lovely. The heated grips are, I'm sure it's a highlight for me. Heated grips, they feel amazing. My hands are not cold, I cannot believe it. I mean, you got the things on this bike as well. This dash, I think BMW has some of the best tech on their dash. Obviously the gear, the revs, all the standard stuff. I mean, but you get a fuel tank gauge on this, which on mine you don't. You get the trip monitors, all that stuff. It's just full of tech. It's got sat nav. I can't remember what else, but it has a lot of tech. This is just a ride back anyway. When I'm not freezing and I can focus, then I will give you guys a full video on what the bike's like the ins and outs of it, all of that good stuff. So for now I'm just riding it back. I'm freezing, I'm in a rush, I need to go somewhere, but for now, yeah, so just gonna ride it back. Right, you guys, first time I've ridden the S1K properly on the motorway. First thing I noticed, my Ducati, it does block the wind a lot better than this does. Right now all the wind is hitting like my chest. This has a different screen on it, but I think it's only tinted, it's not a large one. Why Ducati, you do not feel this much wind hitting your chest and neck, that's a fact. Just wow, the wind. So that's what I noticed. Also the wind hitting my legs down here is also a little bit more than what Ducati. But Ducati is wider, the fairings come out wider, so they basically block your legs a little bit, which is nice. Nonetheless, I'm not messing this bike. I love this thing. Love this thing. But there's some things I noticed. You guys, it is incredibly cold. It is ridiculous. You probably can't hear me. This bike is fast. Very smooth and it is very fast. Oh, so I can't talk the wind. Right, the flat spot you feel lower down is when you're not in the power band. When you're high up in the revs, oh my goodness, this thing really just wants to go. For a stock bike, I'm quite surprised. But at lower revs, when you're giving it some, you can feel that the engine is more restricted. So you have got to do headers on it. You've got to do headers on it, especially full exhaust and filter. And it will just help the bike to breathe so much easier. Much easier. But it's a phenomenal machine. Absolutely love this damn thing. Crazy bike. I just did about 15 miles per hour and it got to 15 really quick. It's quite nice. I must say. the backing of the seat where it keeps you forward, so I don't know how far back I have to go to pack to make sure I'm just kept snug. But hey, this bike, man, something else, I tell you. Fantastic bike. When it's in the high revs though, wow, the high revs on this bike, when it's in the caravan, this thing pulls like a train. It's so cold. I don't know if you guys can see, I don't know if you can hear me. I have no idea, but hey, just gotta get back. And I need some warmth, I need some heat, I need some food. But hey, this is for all you BMW fanboys, just like I am one of them. Insane bike. Riding it in race time mode at the moment. Heat just a level 3 for maximum heat. I am enjoying this, I'm not gonna lie. I am enjoying this a lot. Now this is what I don't like at all. I do not like this at all. This is travel. Hate this. Very nice. Praveen, that is someone I met many years ago in that Aventador. He's got my initials on his number plate. He lives in Blackheath. He just got a Range Rover that says 9XL. Yeah, he has my initials. I want a lot. So high. Right, you guys, I will say this bike, right, carbon fibre wheels, they're fully insane. They make the bike feel flickable. At the same time, it don't give me the most confidence. I feel like the bike feels a little bit less, well, stable, weirdly. So, I don't know, I'm used to the wheels on my Ducati and I love how they feel. This was very, very flickable, don't get me wrong, it was light, but wow, like, it was mega light. I'm just not used to it. Oh great, more traffic. Last thing I need, switch on the bike. I can't stand all this gridlock traffic. Pull those bad boys in. Yeah, I hate this. You're a dead driver, bro. Stay in your lane. That's I don't get why people do that. She purposely moves out to try and block to not let me get past. So stupid.
12 seconds later.
Right, time to put this baby to bed. Lambo's got the new exhaust one, looks good. Right. Let me hill assist? It's got hill assist, come on. What bike has that? Right, let's not knock the Lambo.